How to purchase. Our Faith Empowers helps you take action with your dollars. Purchase is made through the site direct funds to your church on your behalf. Read and click on the offers you like the best. Now let's go through the purchasing process. For example, if you are interested in the online shopping mall by Retail Benefits, click the offer to view the description page. After reading the description, click the View Offer button and a new window will open up for the shopping site. And don't worry, you will still be able to see the Our Faith Empowers website. Then you will be taken to the appropriate page on Retail Benefits. Every purchase you make here triggers an automatic payment to your church, and you may be entitled to cash back too. The first time you go to the shopping mall, you will need to re-enter your username and password. Next time you return to the Retail Benefits from your personal computer, you will only need to provide your password. There are many other exciting offers available to OFE members. Just click what you are interested in and follow the directions to take advantage of that offer.